Curvy Girl Lee here, and welcome to Curbside Trends and day 7 of Vlogmas. So I know it probably feels like I am kind of far back, but I had to push my camera really far back so you all could get the full picture of my tree. If you watched the previous video, you know that this tree is 9 feet tall, a lot larger than I thought it was gonna be, but that is okay because I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm doing this video in 2 parts because when I pulled the tree out of the box, it took a lot of time, like unfringing or sprucing, whatever the term is you want to call it, for opening up these branches. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then just go back to part 1 of this video and you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So day 2 is going to be me wrapping the tree in lights, wrapping the tree in like ribbon, and also putting my sunflowers and ornaments on. Anyway, you know the deal. I'm going to take a shower and put on something comfortable and get right to work. In the meantime, you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the inside.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
pretty happy with the final result of this tree. I need to add a tree skirt, which I think I have one somewhere around here, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I will be ordering a tree skirt, putting it at the bottom, and then also making some gifts, and then we'll be done. I think this tree turned out beautifully. You can't really see my ornaments, but the theme is red and gold and sunflowers, so in person you can see the color a little bit more. Anyway, I think it came out beautifully and I'm really happy about it.